In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear door seal on your Ford Explorer. The seal is located right inside the rear door jamb here. Now on the back side here, I want to go ahead and remove our hanger. It is held in by a 7/32 screw. Go ahead and pop this out. Go ahead and set that screw aside. On the right hand side, we have this little plastic button. We're going to use our tool here to go ahead and pop that out. I'm going to go ahead and grab our trim. We're just going to go slowly start to pull this out and work our way around and work this out around the perimeter as well. Use your trim tool. We're going to continue to pop panels. We just want to push these out of the way. That's pretty much what we want to do, is just kind of get this loose so we can get our trim tool in here. We'll pull our seal out and we'll use our trim tool to hold us back and out of the way. Go ahead and pull this up. Now what you want to pay attention to is the gap right here. This is what you don't want to have. And just go ahead and start pulling our seal out. You're going to get your trim tool in here. You're just going to run it up on the inside. And then go ahead and continue to pull our seal out. Now we have our weather strip seal here. This is going to be on the outside, and then the other side here simply presses onto the pinch weld. There is no glue required for this job. So let's go ahead and line this up at the bottom of the door. I usually like to go in the center area of the door sill and simply press that down and on, and you're going to start working your way around the door. I'm just going to use my trim tool to kind of hold that trim back, continue to work the seal into place. And we're going to just do this all the way around the perimeter. Now as we come on down, you can see we have some excess here. What we want to do is not cut this right in line. We're going to go ahead and cut about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch over, and then we're going to be able to peel up the seal, tuck it in, and then press it down, and it'll create a good seal right there. Inside the seal, where it presses onto the pinch weld, there is some metal inside here, and that's what helps it maintain its form. The other side is just squishy, soft rubber. So we're going to use a blade to cut the soft rubber and a pair of cutters to cut the thicker side and cut that metal. You know, I like to use a Sharpie marker or anything that you can mark this with. Get an idea where that seal ends, and we're simply going to cut over here. So now that we have our marks made, we can actually pull up that seal a little bit and we'll start snipping. And what we're going to do is go ahead and line this up. We're going to have the seal pulled up in the back a little bit, push it down and on, and then push it in. It's going to create a good seal right there. Now let's go ahead and install our trim. We're just going to go ahead and run our trim tool right around and pull our plastic into place. Once this is all done, we're going to go ahead and finish with the other trim. As you're going to slide that down and push that trim on. All right, we have our back trim in. Let's go ahead and continue with the others. All right, Once you get that started, you can pretty much come up around the other trim here and just kind of walk it into place. You can use your tool. It's nice having this here because it doesn't mark up the rubber or the plastic. You gotta just tap this up into place. With our bottom trim in, let's go ahead and install our upper screw and our plastic push pin. Go ahead and line up that plastic push pin. Push that up into place. Yeah, let's go ahead and get that screw started and get that snugged down. You just want to go ahead and snug that down. You don't want it super, super tight, but snug is good. Give it that little tug. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.